So Jackie, we went through the 7 categories. Could you explain in detail more about how to use these cards with
Good.
GENIBOT?
Good. So actually, I just want to tell you about the event card. There are many different kinds of event, but this time I want to explain about light, speaking, and sound.
Okay.
Before we start, do you remember how to give an order to the GENIBOT?
Yeah, take the GENIBOT and touch the card.
Correct. But how does this GENIBOT recognize each card?
There is an OID sensor that reads the little dots on each card.
Correct. So when you look at the card, there are many tiny dots on the card.
Yes.
So this OID sensor can read. So it's very easy and simple. Just you can tapping anywhere on the card.
Yeah, so easy for a young learner to use.
Correct. Yes.